Greetings to you all. This is Tulip in South Africa. I'm going to talk about words, amagama esiwaphimisela ngomlomo, amagama esiwakhupha ngomlomo yethu. Amagama into yakhayo, amagama words that are sharpened to form, to build, to influence, to structure. Politicians and political parties are using words to warn, to direct, to form, to implement, to restructure. So amagama into ebalulekile emntwini, amagama aqhaqha ingqondo, amagama avula amaphupho, amagama avula inyango. Whatever that you say with your mouth yenza into okubana ube yilento ofuna ukuba yiyo. So to all entrepreneurs today, I want you to use words accordingly. I want you to use words in a way that you want to see yourself. So you want to see yourself prospering, you want to see yourself buying things that you want to see yourself achieving new goals, achieving new structures, achieving izinto okade uphupha ngazo. So ndifuna into yokubana xa ulala namhlanje, whatever words that you utter with your mouth, make them be a platform that forms new things for you. Be a platform or a mountain that has your dreams. Ngifuna into yokubana igama eliphuma emlonyeni wakho ulazi into yobana ligama elakha wena, ligama elakha ikusasa lakho, ligama eliqhaqha impilo yakhe ebophikile, eliqhaqha amafindo. Kwanto yenzayo, utter it, utter good words, utter words of blessings, utter words of prosperity upon your life.